Hello friends, this is Ayush, and in this video we'll be discussing the quant section of CAT 2017 evening slot paper. In this video we'll be having questions from geometry and mensuration. This is the fifth part of CAT 2017 evening slot paper solutions. So let's start with the same. Question number 28 is on the screen. The area of the closed region bounded by the equation mod of x plus mod of y equals to 2 in the 2D plane is, right? So the figure for this equation will be in this shape where the coordinates of the endpoints will be like this will be 0, 2, this will be 2, 0, this will be 0, -2, and this will be -2, 0. Right. So in order to calculate the area of this, what we can do is we can calculate the area of one triangle and can multiply it by 4 as all the 4 triangles are identical in shape. So calculating the area, and let me label it, this is A, this is B, and this is O. So area of triangle AOB will be equals to half into 2, which is the base, into height is 2, which will be equals to 2, right? So total area will be equals to area of triangle into 4, which will result into 8. So the correct answer for question number 28 is option C, that is 8 is the correct answer. Let's go ahead to the next question. Question number 29 is on the screen. Let's try to figure it out. From a triangle ABC with the sides 40, 25 and 35, right? So let it be 40, let it be 25, let it be 35. A triangle GBC is cut off where G is the centroid of the triangle ABC. Now there is a very important property related to the centroid of a triangle. In case if a centroid is joined to the 3 vertices of the triangle, then the 3 triangles formed are equal in area. Now what we need to find out is, we need to find out this area. Now this area will be equal to required area will be equal to, can I say 2/3 of the total area of triangle ABC? Right, and area of 2/3 area of triangle ABC. Now in order to calculate area of triangle ABC, what we'll do is we'll apply Heron's formula, as this triangle has all the 3 sides being given to us, right? So in this case we'll calculate first of all S will be semi-perimeter, that is 40 plus 25, 65 plus 35, 100 by 2, that is 50. The formula will be root of S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C, right? So this will be the area required, 2 by 3 common left. This will be root of 50 into 10 into 25 into 15, right? So out of this 50 and 10, I'll take 10 into 10 common, which turns out to be bahar aake 2 10 ban jayega, right? Is 25 ka directly I'll write down 5, so I'll be left with 5 from here, and it will be 15 into 5, 75. 75 can be further written as 5 root 3, right? So what we'll have is, it's root 3 से इसको cancel किया तो ये root 3 हो गया. 5 5 से 25 to जा 50 into 10, that is 500 upon root 3 will be the correct answer for question number 29. So for question number 29, the correct answer is option B, 500 by root 3. Let's go ahead to the next question. Question number 30th is on the screen. Let's try to solve it out. Let ABC have a right angled isosceles triangle with hypotenuse BC. Now it's a right angled isosceles triangle, matlab AB equal to AC. BQCB is a semicircle away from A. Okay, so आपने BQC एक semicircle बनाया with BC as diameter. Okay, and BPCB an arc of circle centered at A, lying between BC and BQC. Okay, if AB has a length 6, तो अगर आपका AB 6 हुआ तो AC भी 6 हो गया और BC आपका 6 root 2 हो जाएगा. Applying the concept of right angled triangle, right? We have to find the area enclosed between BPC and BQC. मतलब this is the area that we need to find out. So for this, what we'll do, first of all, we'll calculate the area of sector BPC. So for that, sector BPC का area निकालेंगे अपन, तो वो हो जाएगा theta. Theta is 90 degree, so 90 by 360 into pi, and R will be 6, so 6 is square, right? This is 1, this is 4, This is 2, 3 and 2, 3. So on solving we'll have 9 pi, right? अब इस ट्राइंगल, इस सेक्टर में से अगर अपन ट्राइंगल का एरिया निकाल दें, एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल निकालते हैं, ट्राइंगल एबीसी का एरिया हो जाएगा हाफ इंटू 6 इंटू 6, दैट विल बी 18, राइट? सो अपना ये जो ये वाला एरिया है बीपीसी वाला, दिस विल बी शेडेड रीजन विल बी 9 पाई माइनस 18, राइट? अब इन केस अगर सेमी सर्कल में से अपन ये शेडेड रीजन सबट्रैक्ट कर देंगे, विल गेट द रिक्वायर्ड एरिया। एरिया ऑफ सेमी सर्कल कितना हो जाएगा? सेमी सर्कल का एरिया हो जाएगा 1/2 पाई एंड आर स्क्वायर। आर विल बी, अच्छा इसका डायमीटर 6√2, तो आर विल बी 3√2, so it will be 3√2 into 3√2, right? So √2 into √2 2 होता है, जो इससे कैंसिल आउट हो गया, 3 3 जा 9 pi, right? So required area will be area of semicircle minus the shaded region. On solving we'll get 18 as the answer for this question. So the correct answer for question number 30 is option B, 18. Let's go ahead to the next question. Question number 31 is on the screen. अब क्या दे रखा है? A solid metallic cube is melted into form 5 solid cubes whose volume are in the ratio 1, 1, 8, 27 and 27. Okay, so I'm assuming cube 1, cube 2, cube 3, cube 4, cube 5. इनका अगर वॉल्यूम 1, 1, 8, 27 एंड 27 है, तो इनका जो साइड्स होगा वो हो जाएगा 1, 1, 2, 3 एंड 3। ऐसा इसलिए हुआ क्योंकि वॉल्यूम से अगर आपको साइड निकालना है तो आपको उसका क्यूब रूट कैलकुलेट करना पड़ता है। सो जो आपका बड़ा वाला क्यूब था उसका टोटल वॉल्यूम कितना हो जाएगा? 27 plus 27, 54 and 10, 64, और उसका साइड कितना हो जाएगा? 4, right? Now what we need to calculate is the percentage by which this is volume, this is side, right? इसके बाद क्या बोला? The percentage by which the sum of the surface areas of the 5 cubes exceeds the surface area of the original. अच्छा, इनका अगर सरफेस एरिया निकालेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? 6 से स्क्वायर से इसका हो गया 6, इसका भी हो गया 6, इसका हो गया 6 into 4 24, इसका हो गया 6 into 9 54, इसका हो गया 6 into 9 54, right? So on adding we'll get a total of 54 and 54 108, and 24 is 132, and this is 12, so it will be total of 144, and इसके हिसाब से निकालेंगे so it will be 96, 6 into 16 96. So there is an increment or excess of 48 over 96 into 100, which turns out to be 50%. So the correct answer for question number 31 is option B, 50%. Let's go ahead to the next question. Question number 32 is on the screen. Let's try to solve it out. क्या दे रखा है? The ball of diameter 4 centimeter is kept on the top of a hollow cylinder. अच्छा, it's a ball जिसका diameter 4 है, तो इसका radius होगा 2. आगे क्या दे रखा है? The height of the cylinder is 3 centimeter. मतलब ये distance आपका 3 है. Okay, and the volume is 9 pi centimeter cube. Right. So what is the volume of a cylinder? Pi r square h equal to pi r square नहीं पता, h is 3 which is equals to 9 pi. pi से pi cancel and ये हो गया r square equals to 3 बच गया और r equal to √3 हो गया, right? So this distance is √3. So similarly we can do one thing, यहाँ से एक लाइन ड्रॉ करते हैं, ये आपका ये 2 हो जाएगा which is the radius, and ये वाला पोर्शन जो मैंने हाईलाइट किया ये √3 हो जाएगा. अब अपन what we'll do is we'll apply Pythagoras theorem, and in case we'll apply Pythagoras theorem in this triangle, जो आपका ट्रायंगल ऐसा कुछ बन रहा है, ये 2 है ये √3 है, so by Pythagoras theorem this will turn out to be 1. मतलब आपका इतना डिस्टेंस है 1. अच्छा, अगर ये 1 है so this should also be 1 क्योंकि ये पूरा 2 का था. ओके, सो यहां तक का डिस्टेंस आपका हो चुका है 3, जो हाइट ऑफ द सिलेंडर था. What we are supposed to calculate is the vertical distance between the topmost point. अच्छा, इसके बाद the distances is vertical distance will be equals to, पहले तो 3 आ रहा है जो height of the सिलेंडर है, उसके बाद 3 के बाद यहाँ से सेंटर तक जाने के लिए 1 और ट्रेवल करना पड़ रहा है, और सेंटर से आपको सर्कमफ्रेंस पे जाना है तो आपको 2 का रेडियस और ट्रेवल करना पड़ेगा. So it will be a total of 6 centimeter, which is the correct answer for this question. So for question number 32, the correct answer is 6 centimeter. Let's go ahead. Question number 33. Let ABC be a right angled triangle where BC is the hypotenuse, okay, and ABAC are 15 and 20. AB 15 था, AC 20 था, right? What is given to you? अच्छा, applying the concept of Pythagoras theorem, अगर अपन BC कैलकुलेट करने की बात करेंगे तो आ जाएगा 25, right? It's a Pythagoras triplet as well. 3, 4, 5 वाला multiple है, 3 into 5, 4 into 5, so this should be 5 into 5. Right, the minimum possible time required to reach from hypotenuse, reach the hypotenuse from A. अभी minimum shortest time possible time के लिए आपको shortest distance travel करना पड़ेगा, and we know that shortest distance is always a perpendicular, right? In that case, if we are calculating area of this triangle, we'll have half into 15 into 20, and this should also be equals to half into 25 into 80, right? Half से half cancel. 20 into 15 on solving we'll get AD equals to 12 kilometers. आपके पास AD का वैल्यू आ गया, which is the distance to be traveled. आपको स्पीड पता है 30 किलोमीटर पर आवर की है, आपको टाइम कैलकुलेट करना है, so time will be equals to distance upon speed, and this time is in hours. To convert into minutes we'll multiply it by 60. So this is 2 and this is 1. Answer will be 24 minutes. So for question number 33, the correct answer is 24 minutes. Let's go ahead to the next question. Question number 34. The shortest distance of the point 1 by 2 comma 1. So here we'll have a point. Here we'll have a point like 1 by 2 comma 1. So this is 1 by 2 and this is 1. So this point is 1 by 2 comma 1. Right? इसका shortest distance you have to find from the curve mod of x minus 1 mod of x plus 1. So here I have drawn the curve mod of x minus 1 mod of x plus 1 and this point will be 0 comma 2, right? So this is a straight line representing y equal to 2, right? So here also the coordinates will be 1 by 2 comma 2, right? What we need to find out is the shortest distance. This is the perpendicular distance, this is the shortest distance. This is 2, out of which this distance is 1. So the remaining distance will be 1 only. The correct answer for this question is 1. So option A is the correct answer for question number 34. Right. So with this, we are done with all the questions of CAT 2017 evening slot paper. We have completed all the videos. I hope this must be clear to you. In case if you have any kind of queries, you can post it on our Facebook page. Thank you for watching the video.